Morning all. All right, so I'm doing some chores here around the house, and a raccoon just eviscerated one of our roosters last night. And I wanted to share this with you. It's a little bit gruesome, but for the one reason, for evidence that you can refer back to this video, or at least create like a mental image about what carnivores in nature, how just brutal they are. And so when we get flack from our vegan or vegetarian friends for eating meat that was raised and processed in a more humane way, i.e. blunt force trauma to the head from either a captive bullet or a gun, that is so much more humane compared to how animals die in their natural environment, okay? Now, I'm gonna share with you what's left of a rooster that has been completely eviscerated. His head is still on. Normally what the raccoons do is they rip the head off. I've seen it happen, it's gross. That would be painful, I don't know. Would you rather get shot in the head or get your head ripped off? I mean, if you think about it, right? We give factory farmers like a bad rap and stuff like that, but at least they're slitting the throat quickly, cutting the head off, shooting the animal. What you're gonna see here is absolutely gross. So let me flip around. Now, what do you think, Bug?
That was muchacha.
Here's what's left of him. So his head is still on, and what you can see here is his spinal column has been chewed up. So usually what the raccoons will do is they'll come in and just gnaw on the neck, and then the other ones kind of come in and just start ripping the guts out. And so you can see here, the innards have been, they're removed. There's one gizzard still left. The testicles have been eaten, evidently, and the rest of the body. And a piece of his liver is still there. You can see the gnaw marks. These animals are just vicious. But, you know, the poor fella probably had a very painful and scary death. I've been looking around for this guy. I was surprised that this happened, and it's weird that the raccoons leave it here. So yeah, I mean, obviously, if I were a chicken, I would not want to die in this manner. I'd rather what I do is I take a pellet gun that shoots at 300 feet per second, hits them right in the back of the head. They're unconscious, and then I cut their throat and they bleed out. So it's a lot less painful, because they don't even know they got shot. So anyway, sorry little rooster. I did like you, buddy. Sorry that it had to happen this way.